നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പം haunted village ൽ പോവാണ്. So we don't know where to run. Like you guys see this? Oh shit. Guys, this is very scary. Why?
Mobile എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. Mobile എല്ലാം
probably go to the mosque.
നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഒരു മോസ്കിന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിലാണ്. Every other place sand got it.
അതാ ഇവിടെ മാത്രം എന്താ മണ്ണ്?
അതൊരു ദൈവത്തിന്റെ കളിയാണ്.
എന്ത് കളി?
പിന്നെ പേടിക്കുന്ന എന്തിനാ?
കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. എന്തിനാ തൊട്ടുള്ളത്? I don't know. ക്രിസ്ത്യാനി. ഇങ്ങനെ മുസ്ലിം പള്ളിയിലൊന്നും പോകാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
ഓ.
അല്ല എനിക്ക് പേടി.
മമ്മി വർക്ക് പറയും.
മമ്മി വർക്ക് പറയും, you know.
ഗൈസ് അവിടെ എൻട്രൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ഗൈസ്. ഇതാണ് മോസ്ക്.
എടാ ഇവിടെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. കറടാ വാ. അയ്യേ പേടിച്ചു. I know what's gonna happen. നീ പോവാലോ, നിങ്ങൾ പോ.
Oh my god. Don't live like that bro.
പോകുന്നു തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്.
If you count then we'll know you're here. What's the guarantee you won't go? Make the noise. Bark.
ചുമ്മാ
കാലിന്റെ സ്റ്റെപ്സ് ഒക്കെ കണ്ടു. എക്കോ. ഓ ഇതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ. ദിസ് ഇസ് ബാഡ്. മോസ്കിന്റെ അകത്ത് കയറി ഇങ്ങനെ കയറിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. എന്ത് പേടിച്ചു? സ്നാപ്ചാറ്റ് അല്ലേ? അവിടുത്തെ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കുന്നു. അവൻ
ടിക്ടോക്ക് അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റോ?
ഗൈസ് ഇവിടെ കപ്പിൾസ് ഒക്കെ വരാറുണ്ട്.
ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം എന്റെ ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം
ഏറ്റവും
by the way, why is Thomas not counting?
ആശിഷ്
പറയട്ടെ, ഞാൻ അവിടെ പോയി ഒളിഞ്ഞു പോയപ്പോ എനിക്ക് സൈഡിൽ കൂടെ ആൾക്കാർ പോകണം. എനിക്ക് ശബ്ദം ആക്ച്വലി ഞാൻ കേട്ടായിരുന്നു. ഐ സ്വയർ. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ ഇവന്മാരെ ഇവന്മാരല്ല, ഞാൻ ഇവന്മാരെ പേടിപ്പിക്കാൻ പോയപ്പോ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ പിന്നെ അത് കണ്ട് പേടിച്ചിട്ട് കൊണ്ട് വീണ
The next day.
So long story short, so we in the sense, me and family, we are going at the top of Burj Khalifa. After ages of staying here, we are finally going. It's kind of funny though, because actually we all go to this tourist place and all in Dubai when cousins come only, like for taking them there. But this time we are like, let's just do it. Let's go to cousins. Now we are in the 124. We are in the 124th floor and there's way higher to go. And seeing this, I feel like shit. Did I expect a little more? Because I don't feel like mostly what people do is they sit here and they take selfie like this. Well, I don't do it selfie. I only vlog. I gotta vlog this shit, man. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബുർജ് കയറിയ ഒരു ഫീൽ ഇല്ല. Like I think I had higher expectations, so I think that's it for this Burj top scene. After that, next time I'll show you guys when I buy a flat on the top floor and balcony, obviously the balcony view. I'll show you guys that. Driving. Wow. Guys, guess who's driving?
Guess. After showing, they are guessing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Can't see.
Yeah, today a party. Yeah, you got license to party. Got a swimming party. Let's go. Okay, so what actually is happening is I had a really bad allergic reaction in which my whole face like literally was filled with pimples and pus and all. So it was very bad. So I am showing them that, and that is their reaction towards it. You might have seen it in the previous vlog where my face was full covered with stuff and I was covering it like this and all, if you noticed. So let's go back.
Come here. तू नहीं दिख रहा? I can't see shit, bro. It's coming out of the beard. Beard में ऐसे
The next morning.
Hey guys, it's your boy Jack Matthew. So we are gonna give Rocky a haircut. It's the haircut time. So many vlogs where we do a haircut session for Rocky. Guess what? This time I'm not alone.
अरे catch him, Derek. He's nervous. तू मेरे को chat मत दे. Why is he so scared?
Yeah, Russ, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. My stomach.
That's okay. We are all fat. It's okay.
Anshumonu. No, not my face. Oh, he's licking me so much.
No.
Rocky, va. Wow.
Come.
Come. Coming. Come.
Chatamanna, gotta chatamanna.
वो तो बोल नहीं रहा है, तू बोल रहा है.
हाँ, मैं ही बोलेगा ना. Chatamanna, Rocky.
वो बाऊ करेगा, मेरे को समझ में आ जाएगा.
Oh, you understand dog language?
Yeah.
You're a dog, that's right.
One dog was living with me for 3 years.
No. My God, it's full of saliva. I am training you to have a dog in the future. Now, how you will know?
Man, tell him to chill. He won't get heart attack or something, yeah?
You never know.
Rocky, आराम से. नहीं, मेरे को नहीं. Derek!
Chatan! Rocky, Chatan!
मैं नहीं हूँ.
Rocky, Chatan! Rocky, Chatan, Rocky!
वो bites me.
Chatan! Rocky, Chatan!
You bite?
No. Put your hand. Rocky,
मेरे इधर रख के नहीं कर, मेरे को काटे.
Rocky, Chachi! Rocky!
Oh my God! Give your hand. Like this. Give it like this.
Give a hand.
Yes. Like this. Let him smell and lick. Let him do that.
Okay, licked.
No. Let him smell for some time.
Oh God.
Okay, he doesn't want.
Make some space.
No.
There's no. I'm taking that shit.
No.
Put.
Rocky, Chachi!
Yuck! Derek, his saliva is flying here. Ganda.
Guys, Rocky meets Chatan and Chechi.
नहीं, उसको चेची नहीं पसंद है.
Chino. Chatan.
अंदर ऐसे.
Oh my God, bro! What's happened to the bro? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He's looking at you, man. So cute.
Lal, your brother?
From another mother.
What does he want come?
You won't come to us?
Yeah, he will. He's just scared right now. The little husky over here, but this husky is very sad. Very.
Guys, this husky is very sad. I'm sure Rocky also.
This husky is a
Husky is looking like a.
you know. And there's another dog here. It's kind of cute.
Rocky is a fattu.
No.
Even you are a fattu.
He's not.
He's not.
He is.
He's not.
You should have his pride, like you should stand
Yeah,
and.
he is not.
Okay, cut my hair.
That's what he's
It's
doing.
so slippery for him. How is he going
That's what he's doing. Cut my hair.
His face
No,
is.
it's on me.
Then you put treatment after this one. Treatment. Clean.
Expect.
Fattu.
So you know.
Mushroom cut, yeah?
It looks
But he
cute on
looks damn cute.
People came here only to make fun of Rocky.
No, I didn't come here for fun.
God is looking at Rocky's, you know what I mean, and he's like, I think mine is bigger than his body.
Okay.
Guys, you got a haircut! Rocky's got a haircut and Simone got a haircut! Guys, he got along with his haircut finally after, I think,
7 months.
some 6
This owner doesn't spend on his dog at all.
Okay,
Yeah.
ignore. So Rocky got a good haircut and he's finally happy, I think, because it's summer and summer he needs a haircut.
Ugly dad.
Guys, Rocky meets his dad. I gotta pamper him.
Pamper? Are we making that pamper?
Pamper him!
Oh, name Gaurav.
I want to say Simone pamper. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പം തിരിച്ചു വീട്ടിൽ പോവാണ് നീ ഒരു ഡോഗിനെ വാങ്ങിക്കുക ഫ്യൂച്ചറിൽ Will you buy a dog in the future?
Obviously, yeah.
My same dog?
But my mom dad are saying no. But
And when you live alone, I mean, I don't know, whenever.
But I'm gonna buy it.
Big dog, small dog.
Small dog.
Are you a dog fan or cat fan?
Cat.
You like pussies?
Cat.
Where will you go?
Okay. Same question. Travel? Will you buy a dog in future? Cat. Arpita?
Dog.
Oh, makes sense. Third one.
Lion. I changed my mind.
No, sorry, elephants.
Guys, Arpita is a very big fan of elephants. I don't know what's the reason. Why?
I really want to go to Kerala to see them.
Why? There are so many other states who have elephants.
So huge.
Yeah, Bali also.
Guys, in future, Arpita is gonna have a pet elephant in her house. Heading out, guys. Peace out. And today they wanted to see how this works and
How
these
this
people-
works, I've already seen.
Yeah, and these
We
people-
wanted to meet Rocky. That Derek didn't let us meet since 3 months or 4
since
months.
He's here. Since he's here, it's the first
Yeah.
time I'm meeting him.
And so these people wanted to see. So I was like, okay, this is a perfect chance. So
Perfect chance.
I don't want to take him out.
चलेगा
So
मेरे बिना.
I don't want to take him out just for these people. So I just
Okay, just enough. Go.
Peace. And that's for this video. I hope you guys had fun. See you guys in the next video. And this week's Instagram follow shout out goes to. Thank you for following and subscribing to the most underrated channel on YouTube. See you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.